Usually for our Final Fridays, especially because this one is our Halloween themed one, usually we expect a really good turnout. The weather might put a damper on things, but it looks like it's cleared up so far, so we're expecting something big.
Hi there.
Good morning. How are we?
Great. How you doing?
Fantastic. Lovely weather.
Oh boy.
Just very Florida-esque. I love it. I absolutely love it. You right now? It is. No, not in a long time. No. That thing is. Corey, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. This thing is sexy, man. Yeah.
The shifters, the grips. So this one was we did all that. So this one's got the Boom 2 audio system all the way around.
Sweet.
And there's an amp in the back that supports the two back, and there's an amp in the front that supports the two fronts. It's pushing.
It's gotta sound like a concert going down the street.
Let's find out.
Let's hear it. I'm excited. You can literally feel the vibration. Right.
With these guys, it's actually a linked ABS system.
Oh boy.
So not only does it have ABS, but if you have an oh shit moment and you miss the front lever and you catch a foot full of rear, it'll disperse to both.
That's what those are called too. Oh shit moments. Oh shit. It's going down.
So any genuine Harley dealership is gonna take care of your warranty, and that covers, one of the best things about Harley-Davidson is that covers any Harley aftermarket parts. So within the Harley brand, there's Screaming Eagle, which I'm sure most people have heard of. Anything purchased from that, or even anything that you see on the walls, as long as it's a genuine Harley part, it is covered under your factory warranty.
Look who showed up to the party.
Hey, hey.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another edition of The Corner Launch. My name is Jeremy Griffin, Startup Street. We are here live, Harley-Davidson of Tampa Bay. We got here Steven Thomas. Steven, Twitch. What's up, my man? How you doing?
We have our tiki hut outside, and we have grills for usually, like, on Saturdays we do hot dogs and things like that. And then we have a stage for our bands to
And you
come
do it all
out.
weekend, every weekend?
So on every weekend on Saturdays we do hot dogs and drinks and things like that.
What are you doing this weekend? Hanging out at Harley.
I mean,
So what we got going on here today?
So we have our final Friday night. It's our bike night that we have every last Friday of the month. Tonight's a little bit different because we're having a costume contest, celebrate the Day of the Dead. We're gonna have face painter, live music, free beer. It should be a good time.
Because the other guys haven't showed up yet. Not super early.
Hey everybody, this is Tommy Patrick with the band Smack, S-M-A-K-K, smackband.com or Facebook /smackband.
What's shaking, everybody? You got JC here from FullThrottle Magazine at Tampa Harley-Davidson, the best Harley-Davidson and the Tampa family around. We're right here on Del Mabry with FullThrottle Magazine for Final Friday.
What's up, everybody? This is Cowboy with Fran Hosh, 1-866 Law Fran.
Look at the shit box. Not bad. Found this in the swamp 3 years ago. Rebuilt it myself and 2 other guys. Richard Callan, yeah, AKA Sarge, right? Bought this 2014. This is the way to go. Fuel injected. Hey, having a great time here, people. Always do. I'm a part of the furniture here when I'm not in the great white north, you know, looking for polar bears and such. Hell, I live with a grizzly bear. All right, people, I'll check you later.
second category, drum roll please. Tonight's winner of the sexiest costume Tampa Bay Home is Isla. Where's Isla?
It was amazing. I love working for Tampa Harley.
So it was a great night tonight. We had a lot of new friends come out as well as old friends that we haven't seen in a while, so it was actually pretty much a success. Even Sarge showed up. We haven't seen him in about 6 months, so that was pretty cool. But all in all, it was a great night, and we thank you for all coming out.